So in this video, I'll show you how to set up and use iBeesoft Disk Partition Wizard, including how to claim the official giveaway subscription. This is a Windows program for managing hard drives and partitions. It's an all-in-one tool that allows you to create, resize, move, merge, or split partitions without data loss, and more advanced tools that we'll cover later in this video. First, you need to visit the official website at iBeesoft.com. As always, the link is in the description box below. Do not download from any third-party websites, as they may put your system at risk. Always use the official site to download the executable files for your computer. Click the free download button to get the Disk Partition Wizard. Once the download is complete, run the setup file and follow the on-screen instructions to finish the installation process. As you can see, this is the free version of the Disk Partition Wizard. As mentioned earlier, it allows you to create, resize, move, merge, or split partitions without data loss, and recover lost, deleted, or raw partitions. It also offers options to clone partitions or entire disks, convert disks between MBR and GPT, convert file systems such as FAT, FAT32, exFAT, and NTFS, create bootable media, rebuild the MBR or master boot record, check and repair disk errors, monitor disk health, and more. However, to unlock all of these features, you'll need the professional version of the application. The good news is that there's currently an official giveaway on their website. Pause the video and visit the link shown on your screen. As you can see, this is a genuine promotion from iBeesoft, available for the next 10 months. You can claim the professional version of Disk Partition Wizard for free. Just enter any email address, it doesn't have to be your main one, to receive your free giveaway subscription code and save $39.95. Now, let's test the subscription code to confirm that it works. And there you have it, a full-featured disk management tool for your PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.